Cornflake cookies. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and line 2 baking trays with baking paper. Put the butter and sugar in a large bowl and beat with an electric mixer until pale and creamy. Add egg and beat until well combined. Add flour and baking powder and stir to combine. Now add sultanas, chopped chips, oats and cornflakes to the mixture. Stir to combine. Place more cornflakes in another bowl and lightly crush them with a wooden spoon. Take about a tablespoonful of the biscuit mixture and roll it into balls. Then toss in crushed cornflakes to lightly coat. Flatten slightly and place on the trays. Keep going until you've used up all the biscuit mixture. It should make about 24 biscuits. Bake the biscuits, swapping the trays halfway through cooking for 15 minutes or until they're light golden. Transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. These tasty cornflake cookies are an easy treat to pop into kids' lunchboxes or enjoy after school. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more kid-friendly snacks, check out our Kids in the Kitchen video playlist here.